What's going on, everyone? This is David here from David's Giant Vegetables, and today I'm going to show you how to plant winter rye. Now, winter rye is a cover crop that you plant in your garden, and that basically means you just plant it whenever you're not planting something else. Now, the reason you want to do this is because cover crops have several benefits for your garden. Number one, it's going to help prevent erosion. When you plant these cover crops like winter rye, it helps keep the soil in place, it helps keep the water in place, and it's going to help keep the soil nice and loose. Another plus is it also helps prevent weeds. And also, one more benefit is whenever you plant these, it actually is going to help put nutrients back in the soil. Whenever you plant these, you just harvest them and then you let them sit there and then they just kind of compost, and they're great for your garden. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm going to show you how to plant it. Alright, so to plant winter rye, you're going to need three tools. One, you're going to need a rake or just any tool to help loosen up the soil. You're going to need your seeds, of course, and you're going to need some water. So what you're going to do is going to take the rake and you're just going to clod the soil, just loosen it up, pretty much like you would with any, when planting any other type of plants. So just take the rake here, loosen up the soil, put those clovers out. Clovers are actually a good cover crop as well, by the way, but we're just going to be planting winter rye for today. So yeah, just rake your soil. Once you got it nice and loose, take your seeds. Here's what winter rye seeds look like. So you're just going to take a handful, like so, and just sprinkle it throughout the soil. Make sure you get it nice and even. Don't leave out in any spots. Just give it a nice generous sprinkle like so, and just do that until you have your whole patch covered. Just a nice healthy coat. Alright, once you got that done, you take your rake and you just sort of rake them over. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you just want to get them just enough that the soil covers them, just like that. Alright, so once you've raked them over, now you're going to take your watering can and just give it a nice splash of water. Not too much, but also not too little. Alright, so it's pretty simple. That's how you plant winter rye. Basically, you want to do this whenever you're not planting anything else, but also keep in mind the soil needs to be above freezing point for the seeds to germinate. Alright, now once you've planted your winter rye, give it about 1 to 2 weeks, and after that amount of time, the plant is gonna shoot these little red sprouts that come up. I'll see if I can put up a picture, but basically, if you can see the red at the bottom, it's gonna look like that. And then after about like about 2 more weeks after that, you're gonna get this nice grass like this. It's a nice bright shade of green. And you know, it's just going to keep growing like regular grass. It's going to grow high, and then eventually come springtime you're going to want to cut it. But it's pretty simple. That's how you plant winter rye. It's going to do great. It's going to be great for your soil. So there you go, that's winter rye for you. If you like this video, please give it a like. Also be sure to subscribe, and if you have any ideas for other videos, just leave them in the comments section below. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned.